最後一日啦，好好天啊！今日，琴日都好天，不過琴日好早出門口，所以睇唔到。因為新年啊，所以多咗餃子同埋冷麵，所以多咗餃子啦。最後一天嘅早餐，南大門嚟啦！我哋終於嚟到，哎呀，穿過個窿度啦，準備呢個春天嘅櫻花。呢度似日本嗰個新宿街頭咁啊！哦，換班儀式。
上班儀式嘅。
啊，上班儀式。由遠遠嗰邊都有隊，好有穿越劇咁啊！一班古裝人過紅綠燈，過緊嚟啦！哦，過馬路一齊，過馬路，過馬路啊！
The gate opening ceremony of Sungnaemun Gate Guard performance, hosted by the Seoul Metropolitan Government, will begin soon. Founding a person, Hudson Pilgrim, and was completed in 1398. Sungnaemun Gate is also called London Gate because it is situated to the south, or held at 10 a.m. and 3:40 p.m. every day, except on Mondays. And the guard performance ceremony is reenacted for visitors.
하루는 새벽 4시경에 종을
Identification of the official and the authenticity of the order to open the gate. The Sunjungwan and Kumgun check the key box the Hogun is holding. After checking the key box, the military officer unlocks for unlocking the gate is strict for the smooth progress of the event.
이것으로써 숭례문 8,020 시간을 알리는 이 행사는 하수이식 행사로
就係
진행됩니다.
紅燈啦，紅燈啦！南大門市場啊，我哋而家嚟咗，好多嘢食嘅呢度。呢度有啲係有個包點啊，賣包嘅呢個。賣包嘅呢間，賣年糕，賣蒸餃，好多蔬菜。醬油蟹蝦，好多 kimchi 喺度，麵臘仔同埋帽仔，煎餅有煎餅食。呢個檔仔好得意啊！呢個檔仔三文治吐司。到咗呢個首爾站啦，呢度就係呢個樂天歐力啦，呢度呢個就係樂天歐力啦喎已經。最後一站就嚟呢個樂天歐力掃貨。我哋就搭機場慢線去機場。過呢個漢江大橋，到咗仁川機場啦。到機場食埋韓式三文治，嗰個就牛油果煙肉。哦，回程咯〜